Hello, and thank you for clicking on the help video. In this video, I'm going to explain how to identify the domain of this particular rational function. So the idea is that we're trying to evaluate this function and find what number gets excluded from the domain. Since we have this fraction with denominators of 5x minus 9, we can plug in any x value that we want, except for that one particular x that will make the denominator equal to 0. So our first objective is to find out what that number is. So we're going to get our denominator of 5x minus 9, set it equal to 0, and solve. So we start by adding 9, transposing the 9, moving it to this side, making it positive 9, and 5x equals positive 9. We're going to divide by that 5, and we get the value of 9 divided by 5. So this is the number that makes the denominator equal to 0, and that pesky number is what's going to make this function not have a value. So that means that when I plug it in, f of 9 over 5, the answer does not exist. It's undefined. So that means that the domain can include any number from negative to positive infinity with the exception of that value. So this is our answer, that x cannot equal to 9 over 5. And this is how we write our answer if we're going to write it as an inequality. Or using this notation, all the values of x to the left of 9 over 5, or all the values of x greater than 9 over 5. So any one of these, again, is appropriate for inequality notation. I prefer this one. This one is just a lot more concise. But as an interval, to write this idea that x cannot equal to 9 over 5 as an interval, that would be the following. So in interval notation, our domain would be written as the values of x from negative infinity to 9 over 5, the word or again, using that symbol, and then continuing from 9 over 5 to infinity. So there you have it. So to identify the domain, you could either use this notation here or this one for the interval parts. And for the domain, the equivalent domain notation would be this. So that's how you identify the domain to this type of rational function.